Aschenbach is a writer who's suffering from a block. I'm visited by someone who says, go to the south and have a break from it all. So I go to Venice, I check into my hotel, and then I see this Polish family, and there's a beautiful young boy who catches my attention. That starts off a whole discussion within myself about the idea of beauty and knowledge. Then cholera hits Venice, and I end up so infatuated with the boy. I sort of want to tell him and his family that cholera has arrived to make him safe, but then I decide that actually I don't want him to leave, I want him to stay, and then I have this terrible conscience about what I've done, so I never actually speak to him, and I never tell him how I feel, although I express it out loud. It's all about passion and love and beauty and the intellectual versus the physical. So there's a lot going on. Using the circus performers is a brilliant idea. Aschenbach has fallen in love with this boy, and normally the family are played by ballet dancers. But the idea of Aschenbach being intoxicated by this ethereal figure, the beauty and the strength, and to have these people performing as they do, it's breathtaking, it's exhilarating, it's exactly what Aschenbach feels and is unable to act on. So it really helps me to have that going on, and it's all happening, up above me, and the idea that my mind is in complete turmoil, and it's like they're kind of jumping in and out of my psyche. So it's thrilling, really thrilling. The rehearsal room has been a really exciting place to be. I mean, the WNO chorus are fantastic. What's great about this piece is that there are lots and lots of smaller roles. They all seize their opportunities and do it brilliantly. And then you add that, the different and thrilling discipline of the aerialists. Every time the chorus come into rehearsal and the aerialists have done something new, there are gasps, and at the end of it there's huge applause and whooping and cheering. It has been a really, really exciting time.